Hello friends, today we are learning the designing within the context of software engineering. Software design. Software design is done after analyzing and modeling requirements, which serves as basis for code generation and testing. Is the core of software engineering is applied irrespective of any process model. This is analysis model, that is design model. Here there is a scenario based elements, flow oriented elements, behavioral elements, class based elements comes under the analysis model. And in the design model, there is data class design, architectural design, interface design, and component level design. These are connected to each other as shown in this diagram. The design process. Software design is an iterative process in which the requirements are translated into the blueprint of the software. Initially, software is represented at high level of abstraction, but during the subsequent iterations, data, functional, and behavioral requirements are traced in more detail. During the software design process, quality of the software is assessed by considering certain characteristics of the software design. Design and quality. Characteristics of good design. The design must implement all of the explicit requirements contained in the analysis model, and the implicit requirements are desired by the customer. The design must be a readable, understandable guide for developers, testers, and support team. The design should provide a complete picture of the software, addressing the data, functional, and behavioral domain from an implementation perspective. These are the quality guidelines. A design should exhibit an architecture that has been created using recognizable architectural style or patterns, is composed of components that exhibit good design characteristics, and it can be implemented in an evolutionary fashion. For smaller system, design can sometimes be developed linearly. Design should be modular, that is, the software should be logically partitioned into elements or subsystems. These are the quality attributes. Functionality use. We can remember it in form FURPS, that is functionality, usability, reliability, performance, and sustainability. In the functionality, it is evaluated by features and capabilities of the software. The usability evaluated by human factors, consistency, and documentation. Reliability, it is assessed by frequency of failure, accuracy of output results, mean time to failure, recovery from failure. The performance evaluated by following characteristics: speed, response time, resource consumption, throughput, efficiency, supportability. It combines following attributes: extensibility, adaptability, and serviceability. A design should contain distinct representation of data, architecture, interfaces, and components. A design should lead to data structures that are appropriate for the classes to be implemented. A design should lead to components that exhibit independent functional characteristics. A design should lead to interfaces that reduce the complexity of connections between components and with the external environment. A design should be derived using a repeatability repeatable method that is driven by information obtained during software requirement analysis. A design should be represented using a notation that effectively communicates its meaning. Thanks for watching the video.